welcome back. It's me, Sunny, and today I'm here to tell you all about my DeWALT compound miter saw. Now this saw is very impressive, especially to me. One of my favorite features about this saw is that it's battery powered. And if you know me, I love cordless toys. This saw also comes with an auxiliary attachment. So if you are go in there working where you do have power, you have the option to hook it to power. Also, it has a vacuum attachment so you can clean up your job site as you go. Don't ask me where it's at because I don't have it. Another great feature about this saw is the adjustable angles. So I can cut from any degree from 0 to 50 in either direction. I'll show you. The saw has a easy measurement gauge and easy to lock it safely in. Easy to unlock. It's very heavy. This saw also can be adjustable side to side, not only up and down. I'll show you that. So I can cut from an angle from above. And lastly, I want to show you, this is a compound miter saw, so it goes back and forth. This allows me to not only cut small pieces of wood, but larger 2x10s, 2x12s. It's very convenient. So the first trick that I want to show you when you're cutting a lot of wood at once that are all the same length, I'm going to take a block and a clamp it onto my saw at whatever length I need it to be. We'll make sure your clamp is deep. Then you don't have to measure every piece every time. Just like this. Next, I want to show you how to do a couple different angled cuts. I think we'll start with a 22, then a 45, and then maybe some side-by-sides. So let's, just like that, we have a 22.5 degree angle. Let's do a 45 next. And there is my 45 degree angle. Okay, now I want to show you, let's do a cut on the angle and on the blade. Let's move this to 22.5. And let's move our blade to 22.5 as well. Set our wood. I think it's pretty impressive. We've got our angles and our other angles. I hope you guys enjoy learning all about one of my favorite tools on the market. I think this saw is very impressive and has so much functionality, you can't go wrong having it in your shop. So hit me up if you guys have any questions about this saw, or if you have any special requests for some extra content from this shoot. And if you don't already, follow me on my socials at Sunny Moon, and I'll see you next time.